Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today I will be showing you how to make a cobblestone generator. This video is for beginner Minecraft players. This is what you will be needing. 1 bucket for the lava and water. And a water and lava source. Now let's get started. Now break these 2 blocks. Break 1 block down here. Break another 2 blocks right where I break them. Now fill your bucket with water. And place it there. Then fill your bucket with lava. And place it there. Now you're done. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the video.